Hey, this is Joshua and you are now watching The Ideal Mobile. Today I was honored to be invited for an exclusive media unboxing dinner of the OPPO F11 Pro here in Cielo, KL. The OPPO F11 was unveiled early this month in India and due to announce here in Malaysia on the 19th of March. So before that, let me show you an unboxing video of the OPPO F11 Pro. This is the box of the OPPO F11 Pro. This is how it looks like and the features of the device. Let's open it up and see what is inside. First, you see a white color box. This box contains the SIM ejector tool, some documentation, a premium TPU case. This is the device. Let's keep the device aside and see what else inside the box. It comes with a micro USB cable, earpiece, both flash charge bricks. Let's peel this cover and see the beauty of the OPPO F11 Pro. The device that I received is the Aurora Green. It comes with two colors, Thunder Black and the one that I have, Aurora Green. On the back is a high gloss laminated plastic, and on certain angle you see some edge shimmering. It features dual view cameras alongside with a physical fingerprint scanner. On the left side is a volume rocker, whereas the right side is the power button and the SIM card tray. At the bottom is the speakers, micro USB, microphone and a 3.5mm audio jack. It has a 16 megapixel pop-up camera and notchless 6.53-inch IPS Full HD Plus display. Here are the specs of the OPPO F11 Pro. A complete review will be available after it goes official. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe to our YouTube channel. For more videos like this, do follow us on social media, Facebook and Instagram. My name is Joshua Wong. Thank you for watching. Signing off.